keep up to date with our latest videos, please hit the subscribe button below.
Hello, welcome to this video from racingbetdata.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a behind the scenes look at some of the improvements that are going to be coming your way very, very soon. So we have been working all year behind the scenes on an improved site layout, starting with Racing Bet Data, and then we will work our way on to Football Bet Data, which should be a lot quicker once most of the framework has been put in place on Racing Bet Data. So immediately you can see there's going to be a sign out button that will be tidied up and made a bit more easy on the eye, if you like, but that will give you the option to sign out when you've finished with the website. It's something that's been requested quite a few times, so that will be added in. Now, the main benefit that you're going to see as a user is around the data dashboard. So I'm on the Sandpit site, the test site here, but I've navigated to the data dashboard, and what I'm going to show you for the purpose of this video is all races from Wolverhampton. Now, I'm going to scroll to the bottom here, and I'm going to look for the last 10 years. So untick all of these, click the submit button, and you'll notice that you get this icon. So it's a nice flashy graphic that shows you that your criteria that you've specified and that you're doing a search on is loading. Now, once that data has been received by the database, it publishes it straight to the screen, as you've seen here. You can also send it to Excel, and you can see that that now gives you a total number of records, 56,000, and that processed in seconds. So 56,000 rows worth of data processed in seconds. That can be fully exported to Excel or used on the screen. Previously, the cap was 30,000. That cap has now been extended to 60,000. And as I've shown you in this example, the speed has been increased phenomenally, so that the time it will take to get that export will be lightning compared to what it is now. Another added benefit, you can sort using these headers. So if I click on horse, which I've just done there, this will sort the data alphabetically. So you can see that horse names that have met the criteria sorted A to Z. And the same with date or any of these header menu options here that you can hover over. If you click on those, it will give you a sort. So clicking date has set the date chronologically from oldest to newest. And I could click that again and it would sort it newest to oldest. So those are some really useful on-screen functionality that we've added in to the existing database. We've not taken anything away. So these are all add-ons that you'll be getting as an advanced member soon. Just one final thing as well, let's select all the data. So I'm selecting 20 years worth of data, which I know will exceed the limit of 60,000. Now previously that would attempt to load and it would come up with a message saying you've exceeded the number of rows, and then you'd have to recalibrate your search based on that. Now what happens, once it loads up, so I said I'm processing the data now, we've amended it slightly, so you'll get the first 60,000 rows in your output, and it will also give you that warning saying that you've exceeded the threshold. Now we've capped it at 60,000 purely because some people are using Excel versions that only allow up to 64,000 rows at a time. So if we were to put it any higher than that, that would wipe out some functionality for some users who are on older versions of Excel. And as you can see, that has published and processed in a matter of seconds. You've got 60,000 rows, and it's giving you a message there advising you that the query that was put in is produced too many results, and it's just given the first 60,000, and advise you to refine the results filters slightly to cut that down. So like I said, this is still in development mode, still in test mode, but I think it's important to communicate and show you as we progress what's being added in, the changes and the improvements that will be bringing your way very soon.